Hey guys, welcome to the next video on Java for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the basic data types and how you can use variables to store values in your program. So before heading on to the basic data types, I just wanted to brief you through why you should learn Java. So Java has a wide variety of applications, like you can use Java for network programming. So what we're learning right now is the basic Java, this is a core Java. So upon core Java, you can do network programming and you can write frameworks such as Android, for instance, and use them to write applications for mobile devices. And you can also use Java for building desktop applications. So that being said, let's move on to the basic data types in Java. So here is the code from the last tutorial, the untitled structure of a Java program. So we have this, let me get rid of this line. Great. And we have these basic data types in any programming language out there, such as int, float, double, and char, and Java also has string. It's basically an array of characters, a sequence of characters, what you have to remember for now. And let's see how we can declare a variable. So to declare a variable, we first specify the data type. We say int, and then the name of the variable. So a variable is apparently a name given to a memory location, so int a. So this is how you declare a variable named a, and you would specify the data type that it holds as an integer value. So then you can also say int a equals 5. This is initialization. Oops, like that. Int a equals 5. Now a has the value 5. You can also print out the value of variables by using the print function, just like that. And you can see for yourself, compile the program, hello world.java, Java hello world, without extension, and there you go. It prints out 5 on the screen, which is the value of the variable a. You can also declare other data types such as float, for instance, just say 2, float, and you can also say double, c equals, so what this double is just remember that it's a combination of integer and float put together, and it's 10.25, something like that. And char, ch, or just d is equal to, so just make sure that whenever you are specifying the value of a character anywhere in your program, just make sure that they're enclosed within double quotes. So string s is equal to, so just like char, you have to enclose any string value in your program within double quotes, whereas char is a single quote, and string. So alright, so and also note that here the string, the first letter of the string keyword is uppercase. So you can also print out the values of all these variables. So we have 5 of them. C, D, that should be C, and print out S. So there you go. And just if we compile this program and if we run it, it will give us the values of all the variables. So what we do is there is an added functionality to the print function. In the system.out.print, whatever we write, if you say system.out.println, then it's going to print all these things in its own line. So I'm going to try that as well. Compile your program, run the program, so all the values of all the variables are in its own line. So what basically println is, it's printing the value and adding a new line, so making your cursor jump to the next line. So that's all about the variables and the basic data types. So you can also manipulate variables, like you can say a equals a plus 5, so that should basically give us 10, system.out.println a. So there you go. You first compile the program and run the program. So there we have it. We have 10. So there you go. So this is all about the basic data types and variables in a Java program. In the next video, we're going to be talking about how you can go ahead and use operators and also the control statements using if else and all those conditional control statements in your program for decision making and all those stuff. So see you again in the next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.